Let's explore south of Sumatra Island, where the food has influence from China. The capital city is Palembang, and there is a very popular food among Indonesian is called pempek. Pempek is deep-fried fish cake served with its signature dark, very broth hailing from the city of Palembang. Now I would like to try this fried fish cake, or it's called pempek from Palembang. Let's see how it tastes. It's crispy outside and it's chewy inside, and it's really a perfect combination with the sauce, the broth, where it's spicy and sour and a little bit sweet. It really have a kick in the taste and the flavor. I would like to try the big chunk with the egg inside and with lots of broth, because I love the broth. The flavor of the broth, like I said before, it's perfect combination with the pempek, the fish cake. And the taste of the fish from the fish cake is really, I can taste it. I can finish this whole pempek, the big one, big size, because inside is egg, and I can finish it all by myself with lots of broth. And I wish you also can try this Pempek Palembang with me right now, especially in this cold weather. It's so perfect for a snack or your breakfast or your lunch, even your lunch. As mostly for Indonesian, we're having pempek as an appetizer. And happy eating!